Hello, and to say, I'm Jennifer Pepper and I'm married to Ghanaian, so of course I learned tree coffee brah!
And of course I know how to cook contumely.
Since the ablofono omato pizza, cheese, hamburger, and hot dog. Say you anyway you know what to baby. I'm no money you see a kankasa or Ghana, your local food. And yet as I'm to a for. Now what she said yeah, after when in a bay is the idea Biania arm me can't any can ye pa. Now when you go each Ghana if you're welcome to man or war my Ghana moi. Or the Ghana me and then your mamre et tata a poop one halfway. When you go each munina. How for our door mobile my no mukunina. You diano mobile as a mobile dins on mobile fufu. Ombu ida no boba ombu ida no boga na jollof ombu ida no boba pesi ombu ida no bokele wole ene nuane aka hodo nyina abusua na we nuane wa mabobo so yikra abusua ko bitimo nsa nyene nyina akwa ne Ghana ye nuane because your tribe be o Ghana ha se no mu a bebre na hye de nyo mu nuane kra nya de enyina MPA we nyina na me kasa trap bia wo ye bia o Ghana ha se no mu no baby a obehu mu se ya kwantu ma na so man Ghana mu de waduane a ye wan kasa traditional food a ye dia tete wa onim ye de try so be down na di e wo say you ohofo say you ohofo bi na wo be hia no oni ne be din kita ho bi ene wo ne wo adwumam oni ne wo school oni ne tifie ni ade ni nyina wo say wo down na di e wo sani pa no asetenam no mu say yes won so no ba bia wo firi ni ma papa e wo ho no ebusuanfo so opese obi ni obi akoma opese wo hu so obi opese wo mani pa jiwudi ana so opese wo chire say yes o do de ma obi ni ade ani nyina no ejina enuane so o pese o kire se wakoma muti ene ma obi ni ade ani nyina ejina enuane so abusuafo o kire obi aduane ye o mo obi aduane de ni nyina enso e kire se yes nipa no pe na asem anase ni nyina e kire odo abusuafo enti no se de ye kono isa pepe na o se ye kono ye fa enuane entata awofo no sa no mu se yes o my Ghana ye wo amamre o my Ghana ye wo ene ma papa e wo ma we se mo abusua o hwe se de your friend say ahofo yi ba ha no mu a omudi enuane nye se aduane ni wo mu kromu aduane e wo mu kromu pa aduane papa e wo mu kromu then so one say Ghana has said enuane no e natural chemicals ne niema ayi musem enuro sem ya de bia enhye da ya de enimu sa ahoden enso e wo a wo mu dia ebo mu yi pa na busua mpanimfo mu bebi say the ways to a man's heart is through the stomach. What you say? Say you pese hopefully omobo ma we say mu bebre omobo ma we say mu to ato so a e nuane nsem bia na o say de tata o me ni popo a wo no manage ye mfa ne say wanya visitor na wa ye aduane say wo de ma wo visitor edi na aduane na de ma wo visitor na aduane na nye de anya de wo visitor no kro de aduane na say nye de wo ko be san be bi. What you say? Ba wo visitor na wo de aduane na ma no na so di e so ni de na say ni de ye pa o ko be san be bi. Ano kono o mebi kono be san fro bisa o be fro bisa o se e na de ye aduano kire se de o ye we aduane we se no so bi sua se de si ye no e sa na o hu o mo ba o man Ghana mu ni ade sa pepe enetie ye nuane a Ghana fo bi no mo akirekire wo mo e wo akwantuo mo Ghana fo bi no mo akirekire wo mo Ghana ha se no ni ade no eno a na se si a mo hu ne de o mati ase e hu emfaso ne se di esitie o mo di eboa wo mo ana omukwa omunya enije sanso de de ebo ma Ghana mu no omukopom bo hu dawro ombo hu dawro kire omunam fofo ne ade ma se de be ya omunso be de ebebe bi ebusua enye asempeto akra Ghana won ya wo he Ghana inhwele Ghana economy Ghana tumpon e ka kire so my Ghana se o my Ghana mi papa bi enim na se ni pa o dada ene ma papa in my papa, oh my God, and I love this country. I was here, oh my, I would think about told you to be out to me. If you are a papa, would and from my papa, who maybe good weather, then you will be on my way, 7 in Yamahodo, Akena, I was here, on my way, so is Cow, who is Cow, that's what you need for me. I'm telling you, sir, you make a lot of money. Oh, my way, see. Ghana economy Ghana tumpon asese de Ghana ya GD pa ye penya sanketo akra.
Welcome to all the beautiful people to my 74th national dish while I'm cooking wache from Ghana. Wache is a simple blend of rice and beans, and it takes its name from the wache leaves. These leaves were pretty hard for me to find, but at the end I did find them. It doesn't give much of a flavor, more I think it's used for the coloring aspect. Okay, now let's talk about Ghana. Ghana means warrior king. It's home to more than 600 species of butterflies. It's also home to the fastest backwards runner in the whole world. Ghana is also where the biggest man-made lake is, Lake Volta. It covers 8,500 square kilometers. And I don't know about you, but that doesn't mean much to me. It's hard for me to visualize that. The tradition of fantasy coffins originated in Ghana. This is where, if you haven't seen any of this, please Google fantasy coffins, where they make coffins like pieces of art representing the personality or occupation of the one being buried. For example, a carpenter could be buried in the coffin in the shape of a hammer, a fisherman a boat, a driver a car, a journalist and a camera. Well, this was a really short video. I hope you people enjoy it. I think my kids are being a little mean to this dish because it was bland but not bad.
Onipa da saying then a woji obroni we ba mi fi na me hu se mi bi ya yura me ko hwe mi jare kwa ma poto yu wan metapoli obroni be sia sanka ne wooden poli ayira odi afro da dia no ma ko ne kuro mu jama bonten so mi bisana wasi ye kombrani bi ne dokro no ma na so ye shi briefly ka kan si ye je ne ko hwe no mtimunti ono ankaza ne numu asem
Akomedine? Das geht immer. Cool. Akomedine? Akomedine.
Ye pompo chere wo mutuem.
Your background?
I'm Ghanaian.
Ghanaian, no, my people. How long have you lived in Canada?
3.5 years.
What was the biggest challenge that you faced when you first moved to Canada?
I think settling here and the food. The food is not good.
You were not informed too.
Wait, so you don't cook?
But I cook.
Continue.
So I had to start cooking. But I think it's settling here, and Canada is very lonely. Like, it's a very lonely country. You have to find your people in order to settle down. Yeah.
Absolutely. Tell me something interesting about Ghana that a lot of people may not know.
Our food is definitely better, especially our jollof rice.
You won't start war, Abhi? You know what start?
It's the facts.
You think I'm here for a joke? Okay. So, what's that one thing that you didn't find in Canada that you really missed from Ghana?
I would say fufu. I haven't found a place to eat fufu and light soup in Canada since I got here. So I haven't had fufu in the last 3.5 years.
Wait, you didn't find fufu and light soup here?
Good fufu and light soup. The ones I found were just